So really, when someone comes to me and they have an autoimmune disease, I need to go through a step-by-step process on where is the autoimmune disease coming from? Why do you have the autoimmune disease? And these are just some of the things that can cause autoimmune disease. Do you have low vitamin D? You need good vitamin D. Now, for example, like the lab range here in vitamin D is 30 to 100, right? So if your vitamin D comes back 35, they're going to tell you that's normal. That may be normal, but that's not healthy. You want a vitamin D around 80. So you have to look at these labs and know where the sweet spot is. Can you have poor membrane? Concussions can cause autoimmune disease against your brain. Antibiotic use can cause sensitivities, food sensitivities, gluten, dairy sensitivities. When you have low blood sugar or low blood pressure, that can initiate autoimmune disease. Low magnesium, mold can cause autoimmune disease. You can have heavy metals, stress, high insulin levels. If your body's in a state of chronic inflammation, that can cause autoimmune disease. Infections, Epstein-Barr virus, COVID, mycoplasma. There's a lot of different viruses that can cause autoimmune disease. H. pylori can cause autoimmune disease. Poor hormone status. So there's a lot of things that actually can cause autoimmune disease. So at the end of the day, you can get better. You just need a guided plan to figure out what's actually causing your problem. And then from there, then you can take a real specific guided path for your recovery.